Now we are going to look at sheet features. So when it is sheet features, it's about insert sheet, delete sheet, hide sheet, unhide sheet, color sheets, move sheet, copy sheets, okay, all sheet related stuff. Okay, so to access all the worksheet related stuff, you can directly go to sheet, right click, and you will get all the options. Okay, to insert sheet, you can click first, so you'll get a new worksheet. To delete sheet, again right click on the sheet, delete sheet. So if you want to rename, right click, I want to rename this sheet as report. Report is already exist, so it will not allow. Report, sales report, I'll make it sales report. Okay, move or copy sheet. In case if I want to move the sheet to first, move. So now before here you have to choose. The first thing is, so where you want to move. You want to move within the same workbook or a different workbook. I'll choose the same workbook. I want to move it first. So I want to move it before data, because data is the first sheet, but I want sales report to be the first one. Just click OK. It moved to first. In case if you want to move to last, again right click, move to end. Choose this and it came to last. And again in move sheet, so we can also create a copy. So now I have sales report. I want to create one more copy for the sales report. Okay, so just click create copy. So now if you see, I have one more report, 1, 2. Okay, so in case if I want to create a copy to some other workbook, right click, go to move or copy. So choose the workbook where you want to move. Okay, also you can choose new workbook. Okay, let me choose the new workbook. So I'll choose new workbook, so where I want to create a copy for the sales report. See, now if you see here, book 9, I got sales report. To go back to Excel workbook, I'll go here. So now this is intermediate. In case if I want to move the sheet itself, because I don't want to create copy, I want to completely move the sheet to the new workbook. Right click, move. Let me choose the same workbook 9. I want to move there. So to move, I'm not going to click this option, create a copy, because I just want to move completely. I don't want the sales report to be here. So now if you see, in book 9, I got one more workbook. But if I go to my old workbook, see here, I cannot see the sheet because it's completely moved. Okay, and let's view coding. You don't need to use this because this is related to macro. And protect sheet we'll see in the advanced level. And tab color, in case if you want to give tab color, so I can choose red. So now if you see, the sheet tab color has been changed. In case if I want to change the tab color for data, I'll go to data tab color. I can choose green. So now you can see, to differentiate the tab, you can also color the tab. Okay, and then we have hide. So in case if I want to hide the sheet, so let me hide everything. I'll keep only the 3 sheets. Whatever sheets you want to hide, just select, right click, hide. Now have hidden all the 4 sheets. Now have only these 3 report. To unhide, again right click, unhide sheet. So here you can choose whatever sheet you want to unhide. So now I want only this sheet to be unhide, so I am unhiding the sheets. So to select all the sheets, in case you have all the sheets, if you want to select, use this option. Okay, all the sheet has been selected. Okay, in case if you want to select all the sheet, okay, you want to move the sheet to some other workbook, you can use this. Or if you want to change the color for all the sheet, you can do it. Okay, for this purpose, selecting all the sheet will be useful. I'm just doing ungroup. Okay, so also like in case if I want to change the size for all the workbook, okay, so I have sizes 200. Now if you see here, all the sheet got selected. So now I'm reducing the size. I'm reducing the size to 160. Okay. So now, if you see all the sheet, the files, the sheet size is 150%. Okay. If you want to make any changes for all the sheets, select all the sheets. So this is about the worksheet. So let's move to next option.